Rebecca with Air Power Manufacturing Solutions, and we're here with another edition of Air Power Live. We've got Ed Shirley with Dynabrade here today to talk about the Performance Assurance Kit. Ed, tell us a little bit about what you got.
Great, thank you, Rebecca, and thank you for your time. The Performance Assurance Kit, everyone, it's pretty much how it's kind of like a tool checkup. I go into the plant, I go into the customer shop with the Air Power account manager, and I check the tools, make sure the tool is running properly, a tachometer, PSI gauge, check the airline and make sure that they have the right PSI. And we can get into a little bit more here in the next couple minutes.
All right, well, show us what you got.
Okay. As we get inside the kit, the main thing we're trying to do is show value. And one way that we can do that is one with our tachometer, where I can go in and I can tack the tools and see how fast they're running. For example, if a tool was specified to run at 12,000 RPMs and it's only running 6,000 RPMs, it means that the productivity level is 50% lower than what it should be. Okay? And another item that I have here is our pressure gauge. What I like to do is because all of our tools should be running it under load at 90 PSI. And so therefore, if a tool is running at 45 PSI under load, once again, that's 50% of its production level, meaning it takes you twice as long to do your work, which is money out the window. Another item I have is the air quality monitor, and if I press this green button right here, it'll come up right now it'll come up as green. It means we're in a good zone as far as air quality. And what this will do is, take for example, if you have a cabinet shop or even a metal shop that has a lot of particulates up in the air, they need to be able to capture that particulate to make sure that you're breathing clean air. My theory, they have two ways of doing that. Either they can purchase one of our source capture units, or they can become their source capture unit and filtration system themselves. And for example, if you look at this screen right here, the green is good or moderate, then you gotta have aqua, red, purple, and then blue. Blue is hazardous and you do not want to be around that. And another area that I check for when I go and do the tool checkup, a lot of individuals will have this, like what I call automotive flow or very low flow, but yet air tools love volume of air. And we have a high flow fitting. If you see the difference in the two, you're getting almost 50% more airflow into the tool versus the one on the right-hand side. There's four things that will stop an air tool. Moisture, lack of lubricant, the wrong lubricant, or dirt. And what we're trying to do here with this kit is we're trying to show a customer or your end user is how to prevent that from happening. And with the lubricant, what we have the Dynabrade Air Lube, and it's a 10-weight non-detergent lubricant. You want to make sure you have a non-detergent lubricant where it's not going to eat away at the seals and bearings on the inside of the tool. And also, it'll help evaporate the moisture that's in the tool. Because remember, I mentioned that moisture is one of the items that will kill an air tool. One way we can do that is with our filter regulator lubricator. You have air going in this side here, has the filtration system on this side, which is going to capture all the moisture, regulator, which you can regulate the PSI in the tool, and then we have lubricator on this side here, where it's going to send a mist of lubrication to the tool, depending on your tool. And the SCFM means the frequency that you would lubricate your tool. And therefore, what we're doing here is we're taking the human air out of it. You're not relying on a worker to lubricate your tool and also make sure you check the moisture in the airline. This way, it's all done for you. With our Performance Assurance Kit, providing a tool checkup, this is one of many ways that we can help your tools last longer in every situation that you have.
Well, thank you, Ed, for showing us your kit. So working together with our vendors and doing things like the Performance Assurance Kit is just one way we like to add value to our customers and make sure that everything's running as it should. So we appreciate your time today, Ed.
Thank you. Thank you very much for your time.
And this has been another edition of Air Power Live.